Alright, we are in the basement, which is fully finished outside of this utility room here. Stairs are here. Door to the walkout is right there, so there's pretty good access to everything. We are looking at a C-width, 115,000 BTU, 80% furnace. C-width, 40 inches tall. Coil is also C-width. There is 43.5 inches between the top of the furnace and that plenum up there. We've got a 4-inch flue. It's tying into the T here. It's a 3x4x5. Return drop, 84 inches from floor to ceiling. It is a 10x24. We'll need to bring in at least a 10x26, if not a 12x26, depending upon the size we go with. Humidifier looks to be original to the system as well. Likely we'll be replacing that. Drain for the humidifier, drain for the AC is all right in front of the system here. Gas lines. We do have 7.5 inches between the furnace and the return drop, which is enough for the 5-inch April air box. If we need to move the return drop over, if we make that wider, there's plenty of room to do that and still get the media filter in there. Line set is running through a finished part of the basement that will just need to get flushed. I'll have to convert that over to the 410A. The bypass for the humidifier is going to the back there. And there's your water line for the humidifier.